conveniently placed NASA logos and green hairs.
What are we?
Emily, you're gonna do the intro today.
Hello, I'm Emily and I'm doing the intro today. So today we got the March edition of the Kawaii Box. If you've been following along with us opening cute boxes from Japan, this is the third one.
Yeah?
Of the Kawaii edition.
All right.
Anyway, should we do the thing?
Yeah, I'll
Like better at it.
Kawaii overload. This one's a skinny boy to this month. Yep. Face mask ad. Ooh, this one looks fun.
What is it?
Okay, make us happy face. Oh wait, thumbnail time. Okay. So this one is the Kawaii Box Magical Dreamland edition.
Ooh, Magical Dreamland. Oh, she's dressed like
So
Sailor
cute.
Moon. Cute. What the heck? I already got one of those, but
Heck yeah. Also, yeah.
Dude, that's
whoa.
really exciting. Okay, go ahead. Dude, I am going to be
This is
Sailor
here.
Mars because I think she's the
Amazing.
green one.
Yeah, you should. I'll also be her.
Okay, should we do this first or should? Yeah.
No, do last. Do last.
Oh, this is so cute.
That is so cute.
The little multiple color.
Who are those
pen.
babies?
Oh, they're
I feel like we see those babies
We
a
do
lot.
see those babies a lot.
So it's a multicolored pen with these little guys. And it's all rainbow and so cute.
Oh,
those are cute, though.
Oh, it's so cute.
Those are like trendy e-girl.
Yeah,
Right?
Candy girl.
Are these e-girl?
I don't know.
I just asked that 100%.
Comment down below if you're an e-girl.
Or is it Decora?
wear
I think they
those.
call it. Those are cute.
I want to put them on.
Those are so cute. I love them.
Look, Harajuku-y.
I think so. I think that's the term.
Cute. Okay. In my first
Okay,
box,
this
I got
one's
a
a
little
little
bunny.
littler
This one's
one.
smaller.
So it's baby.
And this one's baby. Yeah! This one is baby.
This one's a baby. This one's really cute. This
That
one's
one
less,
is really cute. I'm gonna hang them both in my bench.
I love that. Yeah, this one's kind of Easter-y. Okay, wait. A bunny wearing bunny ears? What?
Is that what that is? I was
Right?
wearing bunny ears.
I'm not sure why, but I love it. Look at that.
Oh, that is a bunny wearing bunny ears. Are these candies? I think these are candies, but they're Magic Girl candies.
Are they? Or wait, yeah, they're grape flavor.
Guys, I've always wanted to be Magic Girl. My dreams are finally
what?
coming true.
Is this Pretty Cure? I think they call this anime is called Pretty
I've
Cure.
read Pretty Cure. I don't think that's Pretty Cure.
They have like 15
is this a
different
different
Pretty
one?
Cures these days.
Oh, I have actually a booklet with them on it. It says Pretty Cure, yeah.
Yeah.
Not Pretty Cure, it's just Pretty Cure.
Pretty Cure. I think it's Pretty Cure, but I think they shortened it for Pre. Just Pre Cure.
Okay.
Japan likes doing that. Another one of these.
So Magic Girl.
Magic Girl.
And I can write with my pen in it.
I love that. Yeah, this is a little book. That's so fun.
Should we eat the candies?
Let's wait for last.
Okay. And then this isn't a pin.
Is it magnet?
I think it's a magnet.
Is that a magnet? I don't know who these are.
I don't know, they're cute
Just some
though.
dogs.
They're not Magic Girls, but they are cute.
Yeah. I don't know. I'll have to see. Wait, can I see if it's a...
Yeah, see if it's a magnet.
Real quick. It doesn't seem like it.
But it's not, it doesn't have a pin on it either, so I don't know.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh well, they're... And then some
Oh, those are so
beautiful
good.
stickers.
Yeah, dang, those are the level
Those are
of detail
so
on these
pretty,
stickers
yeah.
is insane.
Those are very
Wow.
magical. Okay, best for last.
Do we need
To
a battery?
complete my Magic Girl transformation. I don't think so because there's a tab in it.
Whoa. This is so fun. Isn't that neat?
Kawaii Magic Wand.
Oh, that is so cool.
What more could a girl ask for, honestly? Now let's try the candy, yeah.
It's
These
cool.
are really
None of the
tiny.
candies have gluten in it yet, so.
Yeah, hopefully. I mean, they've all been like, kind of just like fruity candy.
They have like anime characters on them. Oh,
These are really pretty candies though.
you want to show the camera?
How do I make it focus on?
Here. They feel so gummy.
No!
No!
Here, you eat this one and
If
I'll
it's
eat.
really good, then.
You eat this one and I'll eat the other one.
Okay. Yeah, and Japanese grip candy is pretty good. Weird.
Their chewies are always like really chewy. They're chewies.
I like it though.
The flyer didn't lie, it was a magical dreamland.
It really was. And for 20 bucks for that box, right? About 20 bucks. That's a good deal.
Yeah, I think so.
Pocket mirror.
Oh.
Oh, that is so reflective.
Yeah,
Hi
it's a
guys,
mirror.
look at yourself. Look at you.
Yeah, look at you.
Look at you.
Wow,
Wow,
you're
look
looking
at
beautiful
that.
today. Have a Brad Pollock moment.
Hello, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
That's pretty good. All right, well, thanks for watching this video.
Have a magical week.
Yeah,
Was that good enough?
Yeah, that was good.
You should use this.
Stop filming.